Good morning, children. Welcome to the Physics Helpline. Today we are going to learn the magic and the logic of mirrors formula. So today we are basically going to learn sums based on mirrors formula. तो यहाँ पे हम एक magic सीखेंगे and we gonna rock, right? So let's proceed. Now this is the challenge for us. An object 5 cm tall is placed at distance 18 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 cm. Find the position, nature and the height of the object. This is very interesting example. So what we have to do, we have to analyze the sum. And फिर उसके बाद हमें ऐसे हाथ घुमाना है and the magic and the answer is ready. Hello everyone, answer is ready. Our answer is ready. By just doing the magic, answer is ready. Jokes apart, अगर मैजिक करने से आंसर मिलता तो हम फिजिक्स क्यों पढ़ते? So let us understand technically how to solve sums based on mirrors equations. सबसे पहले the key concept in solving sums based on mirrors equation or Lenz's formula is that we have to identify the situation where the object is kept and what type of optical device we are using. So without solving also we can guess the answer. For example, in this case we have a concave mirror. It is mentioned here concave mirror. And what is done? Object is placed in front of convex mirror whose focal length is 10 cm. Now if you observe the object distance and the focal length, we exactly understand. If you draw a rough ray diagram like this, it's a concave mirror, you say, right? This is your pole, this is your focus, this is your center. Now focal length is 10 cm, but the distance of the object is 18. So we exactly understand object lies somewhere between C and F. Now we know we have drawn various ray diagrams. Okay, so we exactly understand when object is placed between C and F, we get image beyond C and real inverted. So definitely जो अपना position of the image आने वाला है that is beyond C, और C का distance कितना होगा? If focal length is 10, then C is 20. So definitely it is more than 20. V will be more than 20. ये आपका logic है. It will be real and inverted as well, right? So let's proceed. First, find out and write the given well. An object 5 cm tall. This is the size of the object. Size of the object or height of the object. So height is 5 cm. Placed in front of place at distance 18 cm. So this is what distance of the object. Object distance. Why minus? If you consider the sign convention, this distance is measured towards the left and the distances to the left we take minus. Distances above the principal axis plus, below the principal axis minus, and towards the right we take positive. This is what we follow. In front of a concave mirror of focal length 10. Focal length is 10, but again this focal length we measure towards the left side of the pole, so will be taken negative. Correct? Now what is to be find position of the object? So that is position of the image. So image distance. Nature, whether it is really inverted or virtually erect, that can be identified by the sign of M. If M is positive, then image is erect. If M is negative, then image would be inverted. And inverted images are always real and erect images are always virtual. And lastly, we have to even find the height of the object. So let's find one by one. So let's recall the formula. This is mirrors formula. 1 by F is 1 by V plus 1 by U. We know F taken. V doesn't know. We need to find U minus 18. This is shifted. Minus will become plus this as it is. LCM is 90. So 10 9s are 90, so it's here. 18 5s are 90 here. Now 1 by v we have taken 90 is the base, is here. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 4 by 90. Or else if we solve further, this is 1 by v, so v will be 45 by 2 or minus, right? So finally we got image is formed minus 22.5 centimeter, so it will be formed somewhere here, and again it is negative, v is negative because the distances are towards the left side of the pole. Now next is very important. To identify the nature, let's find the magnification factor. Magnification, we have two formula for mirror, minus v by u, where v is what? Image distance and u is object distance, or h dash upon h, height of the image upon height of the object. हमें ये दोनों पता है, तो we'll use this formula. So we got m is equal to minus v by u. By keeping the values, we got m as finally minus 1.25. इसका मतलब क्या? It has a rule. If m is greater than 1, image is magnified. If m is less than 1, image is diminished. If m is equal to 1, then image and object are of same size. In case of m positive, positive and positive, these all are erect images. But if m is negative, negative, then images are inverted, ulta, upside down. It's like that. So we identified the nature. Being m minus 1.25, which is greater than 1 but minus, so we'll say magnified image है, but it is inverted. Inverted. अभी कितनी magnified है? 1.25 times than that of the original size of the object. जो अपना ऑब्जेक्ट है वो 5 सेंटीमीटर टॉल है, तो इमेज का हाइट हम कैसे मेजर करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाइड बाय माइनस 1.25, जो कि आएगा माइनस 6.25. तो इसका मतलब है ये जो इमेज है यहाँ पे कितनी बड़ी बनेगी? ये जो 5 सेंटीमीटर के अगेंस्ट कितनी बनने वाली है? ये माइनस 6.25. नाउ थिंग टू बी नोटेड, height positive है because it is above the principal axis, but height of the image is negative because it is below the principal axis, right? I hope you understand the magic. हमें खाली इस सिचुएशन को जो हमने रे डायग्राम्स ड्रॉ किए हैं उससे एनालाइज करना है. आपको कितना समझ में आया है इसके लिए एक छोटा सा 1 मिनट का टेस्ट करेंगे. I just change डिवाइस. अगर मैं कॉन्केव मिरर की जगह पे इस टर्म्स में अगर कॉन्वेक्स मिरर डालता हूं एंड कीप रेस्ट एज इट इज, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द सम? लेट अस थिंक, लेट अस थिंक, लेट अस थिंक. कुछ भी नहीं है. अभी आप देखिए क्या चेंज होने वाला है, क्या चेंज होने वाला है? हाइट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट सेम है, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस सेम है, फोकल लेंथ सेम है, बट एक चीज होगी, कॉन्वेक्स मिरर में जब ऑब्जेक्ट आप रखते हो, दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर यू कैन से, बट यहाँ पे फोकस कहाँ पर है? लेफ्ट की तरफ है. कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का फोकस यहाँ पे आएगा. फोकस कहाँ पे आएगा? यहाँ पर आएगा. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट आपने उसके सामने रखी है, कितनी रखी है? 18 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज व्हाट द ऑब्जेक्ट. तो होगा क्या? 18 सेंटीमीटर है और ये है 10 सेंटीमीटर. तो एक चीज होगी, ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस जो कि u है दैट इज माइनस 18 सेंटीमीटर, बट जो फोकल लेंथ है इज प्लस 10. वाई प्लस 10? बिकॉज इट इज टूवर्ड्स द राइट ऑफ द पोल. तो आई होप दिस इज द ओनली चेंज. हाइट विल रिमेन सेम एंड रेस्ट एज इट इज इफ यू विश. और हमें पता है इस केस में हमेशा मोस्ट ऑफ द इन दिस केस इमेज कहाँ पे बननी चाहिए? पोल एंड फोकस के बीच में. अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे तो आपको आंसर आ जाएगा 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So what is this? 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is u? Minus 18. This implies that 1 by u, 1 by u, sorry 1 by v ये वैसा ही रहेगा, ये इधर आएगा तो प्लस बनेगा, so it is 90 again, this is plus 9 and this is plus 5, so 1 by v is what, 14 by 90, this implies that 14 by 90, this implies that v कितना है 90 upon 14। अगर आप अच्छे से सॉल्व करोगे 46 are 84, okay, 6 is a reminder, then 14 4s are and 14 3s are, तो लगभग इतना इमेज डिस्टेंस है, और हमें पता चल गया इमेज डिस्टेंस अगर इतना है तो उसका हाइट भी नेचुरली कम होगा, डिमिनिश्ड होगा। तो आई होप यू एग्जैक्टली अंडरस्टैंड हाउ अ मैजिक works when we are solving sums based on mirrors equation. Thank you.